So today we are at an entryway that has been completely updated. The homeowners wanted something more contemporary and something that would really pop and give it some curb appeal. So one of the first things was the lighting. I knew I wanted that lantern style, but there's just so many options that you had.
Lauren, I love it when you call because you always have a vision. And I was able to help by narrowing down our wide selection of pendants for you to find the one that you were looking for. And you told me about your vision, and I put together some products and some ideas to help you make it come to life.
Which was exactly the style that we were going for this update. So from there, yeah, we updated the tile, updated this feature wall, and then onto the door hardware, which there was so many options, but your suggestion of the electronic lock.
So I suggested going with this digital smart lock, and so this can be unlocked with a key, a code, or even your phone.
It was just so practical, and the homeowners really loved it. And then from there, it was just like a little accessory. So it had like the pillow and this new doormat, and it was just nice to be able to get everything in one place.
Because no matter what you're working on, Build.com has everything you need to bring your project to life.